what I'll do is put in this washer on that side, and then use this screw cap. Okay, looks like one side is in and it's also facing the right direction. For the other one, I'll bolt it later. I'll have to find that washer that I dropped. But for now, this should at least give me an idea of whether when I look at it from a distance, it should tell me if the fixture is straight. Okay, so I think that's tight enough. And then let's look at it from a distance to see how it looks. Yeah, it looks nice and straight. So I think the bracket is installed correctly, horizontal, and that's the other one that I had installed earlier. Okay, so maybe I'll continue this video later on how to test this in the daylight by artificially turning off the light sensor.